Hey, what's up everyone? We're gonna be remixing a K-pop tune. We can check out the acapella, see what happens. I'm just gonna put some drums in first. My usual go-to are these like footwork kind of rhythms. Or we could go like Jersey. Jersey would be like this. No, I'm gonna put a limiter on the master. The vocal needs to be lower. Just want to make music today. A go-go bell. I want to replicate that. Here's a cool thing to play with your percussive one-shots to make them your own. Pull in a frequency shifter. It's a really quick way to like change up the tonality of your drums. I love playing with the frequency shifter. Totally changes the tonality. Need some claps. How many percussion sounds? It's been a while since I used this instrument. I need to find the right key. It said it was D minor, but I don't know. Oh yeah, that's the first chord. I just want to be free while I produce. Let's pull a breakbeat in. My go-to has been our new pack, OG Jungle. That has a nice 90s vibe. So what I'm envisioning is we have this intro that goes very musical and happy. And it builds up and then drops into something with just mostly bass, drums, and chops of the vocals. Hey guys, just wanted to tell you about a new product we're working on. It may even be out by the time you see this video. The Ableton kit called Rough and Rugged. There's also a Wave and MIDI pack for non-Ableton users. Essentially, it's a kit designed to help you make all sorts of drum and bass and other tempos of music. It has over 1,600 audio loops, breakbeats, and 45 unique instrument racks. Essentially, the idea of our Ableton kits is it allows you to create ideas very quickly just by clicking a couple buttons, dragging a few clips, and enable or activating certain instruments. It's a way to help you boost your creativity and jumpstart ideas by leveraging the technical work that we've gotten out of the way for you so you can focus on composition and songwriting. And Tier Kahoot has worked on this for over a year, and he's hired live musicians to create audio loops, musical loops, and even drum loops. He's designed meticulously these instruments and even a Max for Live plugin for bass and synth sound. So this pack is just packed with content and tools really help you bypass that technical hurdle so you can start creating music right away. So if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find out down in the links below. How do we turn this into 8 bars? Maybe just repeat that and then. That's kind of funky. I don't know what I just did there. Need an 808. For the deep breathing, I forget to breathe when I work, and that's what burns me out. Essentially, your brain and your body needs oxygen to run, and sometimes when I work, I forget to breathe because I'm super focused at what I'm doing, or my breath becomes shallow, so I'm depleting my body of oxygen. And that's when your body starts to feel burnt out. If anyone ever felt what it's like to burn out, then you know what I mean. You feel exhausted and you just feel depleted. And it's because you're running out of oxygen. So you got to be cognizant of your breathing when you work. Otherwise, you're going to burn out. There needs to be a build-up here, eventually. Let's do some bass design. I made this today. How dirty is this? It's exactly the same thing I did. It's just I found a sweet spot for that wavetable. Oh, so dirty. Yeah, we need some like wobble bass lines that sound like wonky like that. That's an FM bass. Let's keep going. They are addictive. I need an oscilloscope. I like to see what my bass looks like. That's wonky. Yeah, I guess that's true. We punish ourselves. I like using this sine wave, it's more audible. The beauty of Vitos, you have 3 oscillators. Probably have to make it sparser and let the bass line breathe. Yeah, so it would drop into this Jersey thing and then the dubstep. For now, I want to keep the vocal going because it hypes you up hearing the vocals repeat. But yeah, I get what you're saying when you space it out. Do you guys think I should keep the vocals at regular pitch or pitch it up like I did here? Yeah, I should be pitched up. It needs a counter bass. It sounds like seagulls for sure. That's influenced by Skrillex in his track. He does the exact same thing. Oh, okay. Okay, so we can automate this. We need those a record kick. Yeah, sick. Exactly what I wanted. I think everything should stop at that point. So I should put everything in a group, then everything stops. Like group all the sounds except like maybe the scratch and that bass. Don't forget to breathe. It needs to hit right away. That's why this record stop is taking too long to bounce back. No, that bass needs to be outside of this. Sounds better. probably be, yeah, finish this section. Then the intro comes back again, plays more of the vocal, the main vocal out, and then back. And we do this all over again with some subtle changes. I guess that's pretty much it. If you guys want to support, you can check my link below. You can find my packs, preset packs, sample packs, Ableton kits. The least I ask of you, like the video, subscribe to the channel. It just helps my video get out to more people. My name is Stranger, and we make bass heavy music. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys learned something. And until the next stream, peace.